All right, it's homework time. This is mini project number 6 for Email Marketing Mastery of the Digital Marketing Mastery course. Now, in this mini project, you're going to focus on writing an indoctrination series and completing a promotional planning worksheet for your business. So let's talk about the assignment instructions in depth for just a second. Now, first and possibly the most important part of this assignment is to write your indoctrination series. Now, you'll remember in Module 3, we covered the indoctrination series in depth. Not only the importance and structure of the indoctrination series, as well as examples, but also a demo video breaking down and walking through each step of Digital Marketer's indoctrination series. Remember, this is where the relationship building process begins with your new subscriber. And this is the campaign or the series that most email marketers and most companies forget about. I want you to focus on this, because if you start the relationship the correct way with your new subscriber, then you will continue to see improved results on email engagement, and you won't have to worry about nearly as many unengaged subscribers. So you'll use not only the perfect welcome email template that I've provided for you to write your perfect welcome email, but also storyboard your complete indoctrination series. All right, storyboard your indoctrination series. So I've provided the perfect welcome email template so that really writing your perfect welcome email, that first email in your indoctrination series, is nothing more than replacing a few words and writing a few sentences here and there in this template. So this part should be pretty easy and self-explanatory, all right? But next, I want you to actually write out and storyboard out the subject lines in your full indoctrination series, and then write the additional emails. Remember, this series is 3 to 5 emails long, and our recommendation is that your emails 2 through 3 to 5 focus on best of. Focus on showing the best of your best content that establishes you as not only a thought leader or an expert, an authority by your content, or that leverages third-party credibility of someone else saying that you're an expert or a thought leader or an authority in your marketplace. So I want you to first storyboard out your subject lines using this template. Put them in here. Second, write your perfect welcome email using this template. Third, write the next best of emails, right? So if you have 2, write 2. If you have 1, just write 1, but don't write more than 4 best of emails, all right? 4 best of emails, but this should be your guide. Don't do anything until you storyboard not only the campaign, but the subject lines. Remember, if you're struggling with this, go back to Module 3 and watch storyboarding your indoctrination campaign, and go back and watch the demo video of Digital Marketers indoctrination campaign. Now, second, I want you to fill out a promotional planning worksheet for your business. Now, we covered this in great depth in Module 2 for creating your promotional calendar. Remember, there are 2 assets you need when creating your promotional calendar. First, your product and service asset, or your product and service asset list, and second, your promotional planning worksheet, right? Your promotional planning worksheet. It looks something like this, the promotional planning worksheet. So what I want you to do is fill out a promotional planning worksheet for your company, for your business. Now, I want you to do this to make sure that you're focusing your email marketing efforts on achieving your goals. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, it may be a different point in the year. So if you'd like to focus on the months to come in this calendar year, that's fine. But I still want you to go back and fill out what you did in the months that have passed this year. If you'd like to start next month and fill it out for the next 12 months, that's fine as well. It's up to you. I really want you to not only do this to be proactive and forward thinking about the rest of this year, but I want you to start to build the habit of doing this annually. All right. Now, next, your optional extra credit is to write your re-engagement and your win-back series. Now, we covered this in Module 3 of email campaign creation as well. You may find that after deploying your new email marketing strategy, the new way of doing things based on what you've learned in this training, that you still have a large chunk of your email list, as much as 50%, that is unengaged. So I want to make sure that you're prepared to attempt to re-engage those subscribers. So if you'd like to write your re-engagement and win-back series for optional extra credit, if you're that overachiever, I'd love to make sure that we review those. And optional extra credit number 2, create a 30-day promotional calendar. Right? Architect your 30-day promotional calendar, but design it to hit one of the goals that you filled out in your promotional planning worksheet. So whether it's next month, whether it's 4 months from now, whether it's 5 months from now, choose one of the months that you filled out in your promotional planning worksheet and architect a calendar to help achieve those goals. All right, so there are your assignments. Now, again, you have the perfect welcome email to use, the template to use for your first assignment. And I want you to go in and fill out this. And then I want you to insert a screenshot of your new subscriber welcome email. Insert a screenshot of your first best of content mail, your second best of content mail. And if you continue to have mails after that, add additional slides here and insert screenshots of those for review. Now make the screenshots look like this so that we can actually read your messages and review them. All right, so that covers message number, or assignment number 1. Assignment number 2 is filling out your promotional planning worksheet. So again, you have a PDF of this. My hope is that you will print that out, fill it out, and then insert a screenshot of that promotional planning worksheet into this slide here. Now for your optional extra credit, create a 30-day calendar. You can go on to Google and type printable 30-day calendar, or you can just draw it out or leverage Google Calendar if you'd like there. But be specific and then insert a screenshot or a photo here. And that's it. Leave this section blank for instructor comments. And just in case you're wondering, like all the other mini projects, here is the grading scale. I look forward to hearing your results and speaking to you on the office hours. Thank you very much.